Welcome once more to the Minters Tech channel. Today we're going to fix this Volkano speaker charging port. A client brought it here to me with the broken charging port. Okay, so I opened the speaker, which is this one. It's the Volkano speaker with the broken port, but already disassembly. It, and I took the main board out. I took the main board out, which is here. When I'm inspecting the main board, I can see the input of the charging point. The pins are broken, the rail pins are broken. As you can see, let me zoom in the camera so that you can focus. That's it. The rail is broken, so actually there's no way I can solve it. So I can see this big guy here. This is the diode, and it says positive and negative. So what we have to do here, we have this pin. I grab a pin and a port, a charging pin. So what we need to do here is just to solder its wires. I'm gonna show you which wires to solder it. We need to solder 2 wires to these pins. The first one and the second one. The first one, the 5th one, the 50th one. We need to put a wire in here, and then we put another wire in here, because if you can put our test meter to the diode mode, voltmeters read on the diode mode. Okay, so let's just find the positive and the negative in the main board. We know the positive actually is the ground, so this is a ground. Everywhere is a ground, so this is a negative. Here we have nothing. Okay, we have to solder one wire to the ground through to the charging port, and then we need to solder another wire. We'll solder into this positive side. Yes, for my lookings, the positive side of the diode. Okay, let me grab the charging solder unit here. Where's my soldering wire? Okay, grab the wire. Grab the wire. The soldering wire. Sorry for the video, it's not that best quality, but I'm trying to help here for the person who have the same problem on other customs. Okay, we're going to try to solder wire here, but my meter always bend my meter every time here. Okay, only just these 2 pins, you can see. Solder on these 2 pins there. Let me pause, I'll be back with you soon. Okay, we are back. We're going to grab the wire, this one wire, just gonna put a bit of salt on it, bit of salt in here. Okay. Right. I'm not sure if the position is most compromising here on the removal on that. Okay. So the one side. Aye. Okay, one side is okay, so we know this is the positive line, because if we turn it back like this, it will be the positive. So here we can do a tricks. We can do a tricks, or we can twist this pin out here and solder it here. We can solder the wire here to this side. We know it's a ground. We can do that magic also, if you don't want to put wire like this. Okay. But if you want to put a wire, you can put a wire. That's your own choice. Got the wire. Solder another side. Try to make the video to not become much longer here. Yeah. Okay, we are going to solder the other side, which is the negative one. Okay, it's attached. So we need to cut wire once more. I can't see my side cut. I'm using tricks here. Okay. So that is it. 2 points need to be like this. Solder the wire like this. Okay, can I have a focus? Solder the wire like this. Okay. Now we're going to flip it through there. So this wire here, it will solder on this side of capacity of the diode, sorry, here, and then this wire will solder on the ground, this side of the pin. The reason why, so you can twist the pin and solder straight to this metal component, which is the ground here. It's okay, I will not do that on the video because the camera will not see it properly here. Let me solder, then I'll be back for testing. Okay, so we are back. We're done with the soldering. This is how we're supposed to solder. Now we're supposed to solder it. One big wire to the diode, and then the other wire to the ground. Let's see if it's working. Okay, let me grab the micro charging voltage input. Let's test. Oh, it's working. Then that's it's done, guys. This is how you're supposed to do it when you fix the Volcano speaker or any speaker of the broken charging port. So now I'm going just to assemble. I'm going just to assemble the speaker and then give back to owner. I guess she'll be very happy and play his song like always. Okay, thank you very much. If you like my thumbs, if you like my videos, if it did helpful for you, give me a thumbs there. Until you on my next one. Thank you, bye bye. Enjoy the day.